I'm from your face.
Hey, hi guys. How are you doing? Just checking in, make sure we're all okay. All right, as promised, again, we're gonna jump into some styles from Insecure because we're MacGyvering hairstyles. Our hair is out. I usually have my hair out, but for those of you who aren't used to it, your hair is out. Everybody thinks natural hair is hard. Natural hair is actually really, really fun. And I'm going to show you how to do a really cool, cute style that I saw on the season premiere of Insecure recently. So, I don't know if you remember when Issa was meeting with, it's Condola, right? Like Condoleezza Rice? Or, no, Condola, yeah, okay, that's her name. Yeah, that's her name. All right, meeting with Lawrence's new boo, and she had her hair like pulled back with her hair in twists, and they were kind of like doing a swoopy thing with a little kind of pin curl type situation. It was really cute, and I was like, ooh. And I wasn't even like paying attention to the dialogue. I was like, pause. Hello, new hairstyle idea. I know you looked at that and thought that's gonna be difficult. It's not gonna be difficult. So here's what we're gonna do. Here's the tools you're gonna need. I'm gonna need a rat tail comb. I know it broke. It broke in my hair. I know. You're gonna need maybe a boar bristle brush, some edge control again, lots and lots of bobby pins, hairpins. I'm not sure if we're gonna need this, but I do have my Denman brush. I have a spray bottle. It has just water in it with a little bit of peppermint oil. It's really good for your scalp sometimes. I like to try to keep my hair moisturized. And then last but not least, we have Wetline Extreme Gel. One everybody's been talking about all last year and a little bit of this year. It's some good gel. Oh, and also I almost forgot this again. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our broken rat tail comb, we're going to create a part. Now, I already kind of got a part going, but it's kind of a crooked part. If you want to leave it a crooked part, it doesn't matter. You don't have to have a straight part. So, let's see. We're going to try to part our hair and not get makeup on our clothes. Straighten that out a little bit. So, you can put your hair away with some clips. I did not bring my clips out, so that won't be happening right now. Or, you know what? I have an idea. Let's see if I can use my magic if it still works. I'm going to snap my fingers and see if a clip arrives in my hand. Oh my goodness! My magic still works. It's my bag of clips. Yay! All right. So we're gonna clip our hair up. These cool clips. If you have these at home, don't worry if you don't have them at home. You can pull your hair back with hair ties. You can use your bobby pins, anything. We're MacGyvering this. You got this, girl. You can do this. So I'm gonna clip this part of my hair away. Alrighty. We're going to take the broken rat tail comb again, and we're going to create a section. So you see how I have my hair parted here? It's a little crooked right there. Don't mind that. I'm gonna make a part right up here up top. You see that? And then we're gonna bring it back down on the side here. And that is crooked also. So let's just fix that a little bit. And now we see a lot of fallout from the gel from earlier. Isn't it fun? Smelling. No, really, it's smelling Chicago. But let's just do that. I'm going to fix this up just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Because I'm a perfectionist sometimes when it comes to my parts. Because people come for you in these streets. There we go. There it is. It's coming to my liking. So, as you can see, I have the part here. my bag fell, the part there. And we're going to grab my bag. There we go. Get some more clips. Now you can get these clips anywhere. You can get them from Target, especially if they break. You can get them from Target. You can get them from the beauty supply stores. You can even get them at Walgreens. This is how it's supposed to look, just in case you're wondering. I'm rough on this stuff. So my hair can be pulled back now. Taking this clip out, you can clip it on your sleeve. There you go, so you won't lose it and it hopefully won't get broken. Now what we're gonna do, we're not gonna brush our dry hair. We're gonna learn from our mistakes. We're going to spray it with the spray bottle. All around. Get that hair nice and moisturized. We are going to open up the Wet Line Extreme. And this is really cheap, by the way. I think this was like $2. Walmart. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna grab a big old hunk of gel. It's not like my hair don't need any more gel, but we're washing it soon, so it's gonna be okay. We're going to shellac our hair on the sides. Now me, I always like to have a little bit of a curly tendril right here on my ends, so you can like put a little gel on it and twirl it between your fingers, make a little curly tendril like that. So we're gonna just gel down our edges and gel down our hair. We're gonna do it on the other side. Yeah, we're just gonna keep gelling it down. Sometimes if you want to, you can gel it down on the top. I don't always do that. I don't know. I don't always do that. I'm gonna brush non-dry hair. And it's not gonna hurt as much when you brush non-dry hair. Learn from our mistakes. Yes, we do. Except for the top, it's a little bit dry, but not that much. We're gonna take that curly tendril out on this side. You already have some gel on it. Twirl it around a little bit. Now, Issa didn't have curly tendrils. This is just my preference. This is just something I want to do. Stick that curly tendril back out. We're going to put our hair into a ponytail with a ponytail holder. Now, I know I showed you some other hair tools. Whenever I do a bun, I don't like to use like the puff cuff. I don't know, I just find it hard to do a bun with the puff cuff or those other tools. That's why I have ponytail holders around, because of those. So you see I have a cute little ponytail going right there. Anyway, this is when some of the bobby pins come in hand. Andy, we have a bunch of these. We are going to take parts of your hair. You're going to grab them, big chunks. It doesn't have to be pretty. You're going to twist them just a little bit at the ends. We're going to do that all over real quick. So you see, twisting is easy. That's an easy thing. It's fun. We're going to do 3 of these now. Now this is just my take on Issa style. I don't know, they could have did it a totally different way. I'm not sure. And the last one. I have a little bit of fallout from my hair from having it in braids for a while. So you're going to take these little half twisted hairs, because they're big and poofy. You're just going to pin them. So you can like crisscross those two. Open up a bobby pin. Open up a bobby pin. Don't talk with your mouth full. Secure it down. Let me go. bring this one around and secure both of them down. Then you'll have like a cute little, sorry about that, cute little updo situation where it's like in a cute little bun. And you can keep securing it down with bobby pins or hairpins. I really don't know which one is which. You keep securing it down until it's to your liking. And you have a nice little bun. Now we're going to take this clip out here. And what you're going to do, well, this is a style in itself. You could do this. Girl. You do this, you could swoop it up like this. Just grab it, twist it, bring it back here. Boom, pompadour hairstyle. That's cute too. Or if you have a little bit more time on your hands, which you do, you can put it in little flat twists. So we are going to take the rat tail comb again, and we're going to twist our hair. So we're going to take the clip, put this hair off to the side. We're going to spray this hair. We're not going to put much gel on it because I've been doing too much with the gel today. Ooh, that felt good. Just going to do simple twists. And how you do a twist, if you don't know how to do a twist, this is how I do twists. You just grab two pieces of hair, you're twisting and twisting, 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 all the way down. And it doesn't even have to be super tight. Sometimes the looser the better, actually. I feel like I twist too tight, so people always think my hair is stringy, and it's not really stringy. It's just my twists are super tight, so it appears stringy. So we're gonna keep twisting, and you come back when my hair is fully twisted, because that's the magic of YouTube and Instagram. Almost there. Almost there. People out there think I'm crazy, but I don't care. Yeah, I know. So once you're done twisting all of your hair up, and kind of try to keep the twisting process going to the side, because you're trying to keep your hair swooped to the side. Yep, it's going to take a minute. I know, it took like 2 seconds. That was like forever. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Becky, look at her hair. Okay. So this is a style you can also do too. But what I think Issa or Felicia Leatherwood, or let's just like, go with the hypothetical of Issa was a real human. How she did her hair, she probably grabbed a chunk and like swooped it up and pinned it and did a pin curl. So she probably swooped it up and then did a pin curl right here. And then she secured it with a hairpin, like so. Sometimes you can put them right through them. And then she took another section of hair, like so, and probably swooped it up. And she's trying to keep it flat. She had that hairstyle a couple of times. Mine isn't working out so flat. But she had the hairstyle a couple of times in the episode, so it seems like it's a go-to style when she's trying to look professional. Now, I've never done this before, so this is a trial and error for me too. But you can kind of work it in a way that looks cute for you. It doesn't have to be exactly like the hairstyle she did. It could be something else. You could play around with it and come up with something totally new and totally different that might even be cuter. You never know. I'm going to try to pin curl it a little bit off to the side, because there's some pin curl action going. Try not to mess with my lipstick too. Mine is really messy. I need to pin it down a little bit more. Another good way to do a pin curl, and probably the correct way, I'm just speeding through this, is take your hair and roll it like a circle. Keep rolling it like it's a circle. And one more time. And then probably pin it to the side. And it's not looking as fabulous, but it's still cute. I'm gonna put some more hairpins in there. Just one first section. Circle, so you got like a little lasso situation going. You just keep making the circle. And put it right there. Add another hairpin and secure it down like that. And so it's kind of like Issa style, kind of. You can play with it a little bit more. I'm sure you all out there can do better than me. You're more creative than me. You're my guy right hairstyles. You got this. You got this. We got this. Alright. So, this is the hairstyle. I'm going to put one more hairpin in just because I'm a perfectionist and weird. Like that. This is a hairstyle. This is my interpretation of the season premiere of Insecure of Issa Rae's hair when she was meeting with Condola. And it wasn't that hard. It really wasn't that hard. Natural hair is fun, you all. We got this. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow her. Peace.